In today's video, I'll show you how to make money by watching YouTube videos, a new technique to make money online in 2022 by just watching videos for free. What would be the best way to go about it? This is how you can get money by viewing YouTube videos. As we'll soon discover in this video, I'll show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to set up this incredible revenue stream, so pay attention to every second of it because I'll reveal some hidden tips and tactics that you can use with this strategy to increase your earnings. This method, like most of the videos I upload, is completely free, and you won't need any credit cards or internet banking accounts to get started making money online with it. It also works globally, so no matter where you are watching right now, you'll be able to make money online with this method. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2022. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end if you're interested. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis, so make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method, so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and will reach a larger audience. Before I show you anything, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever we upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications, and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. Now, we've all been guilty of binge watching videos on either Netflix, YouTube or other platforms for hours on end just to pass the time. I got this crazy thought one day: what if there was a way to genuinely make money watching movies online? That way I could sit on my couch, watch TV shows, and have my bills paid all at the same time. So we went online and discovered a way to earn money by watching videos. The best aspect of this method is that it pays through PayPal repeatedly, so we're gonna make money with this method simply by doing what you're doing right now, watching a YouTube video. So this is how it works. There are a lot of these things called social engagement websites, and there are a lot of them out there, but we're gonna use one in particular in this video, and the way it works is that we swap our opinions on YouTube for points, and then we're gonna exchange those points for social engagement on other websites where companies really pay us for those engagements. Now you might be wondering, why would companies pay for this, or what exactly is this? So if you have a Facebook post or YouTube video, having more engagement on that post or video informs the algorithm that the specific post or video is very good content, and the algorithm actually distributes it to a larger number of people each time it keeps growing the engagement. That is only one of the numerous reasons why businesses or individuals might want greater engagement on their posts or videos. If that sounds confusing, don't worry. I'll show you exactly how to do everything step by step, and you can simply follow along with me. So our first website is right here, and later in a minute, I'll show you the exact URL on where you'll find this great tool. So once you're here, simply click on try for free immediately. Then all you have to do is enter your email address, a password, click on I'm not a robot, and then click sign up. After that, a message will appear informing you that you must go to your email to confirm your account. So all you have to do is go to your inbox and click on the link they sent you, and you're done. So after you've created and confirmed your account, this is what your home page will look like. And what I enjoy about this website is that they will give you 200 points right away. And as you can see here, there's a lot of interaction you can do, such as Facebook likes, shares and followers, as well as Instagram likes, TikTok video likes, Twitter tweets, and so on. However, for the strategy to work, we'll concentrate on YouTube views. Simply clicking on YouTube views will take you to this page. And as you can see, you can watch this video for 30 seconds and gain 8 points, with the majority of them being around this amount. So some would offer 60 seconds for 16 points, and others would offer 150 seconds for 40 points. Then literally all you have to do is click view video, and the video will be right here. And as you can see, the timer begins counting down, so we'll just have to wait until the timer runs out. And also, if the video you're watching contains advertisements, you may just skip them, and the greatest part is that you don't even have to watch it all the way through. You can go away for a bit, take a snack, and do anything you want before returning when the timer expires. Then simply press the submit button. As you can see, it quickly increased 8 points. I'd recommend doing this until you reach 1,000. So you start with 200 and you need to earn 800 to get to 1,000 points, assuming that the videos you watch are 16 points for 60 seconds. Divide 800 by 16, that means we have to watch around 50 videos. Thus, if we multiply that by the number of seconds in each video, So 50 videos times 60 seconds, we have 3,000 seconds to obtain those 800 points. To reach the 1,000 points in 3,000 seconds it takes about 50 minutes. So not even an hour. Now I ran those calculations because in 50 minutes, I'm gonna teach you how to make more money than employment will pay you for several hours, if not the whole day, in less than an hour, all from the comfort of your own home. So keep a close eye on things, and you definitely don't want to miss the next step, because this is the website that will tie everything together and allow you to generate money. By the way, this website is called addmefast.com. Just come here to addmefast.com and start doing whatever we did to start making money online. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends, hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying easy money online, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can get money doing simple things like this. So if we get 1,000 likes on this video, we'll launch an insane brand new video that might be even cooler than this. So comment make money online down below. We'll be releasing a new video next week to show you how to make even more money online by performing basic jobs like these on your computers or phones. So let's get back to the video now. This is the website that will tie everything together and allow you to generate money. So that website is known as playerup.com, and as with the previous website, you may sign up by clicking right here, and then enter your email address, select no, create your account now, and then click sign up. This will take you to a page where you must enter your name, make a password, input your location, and click I'm not a robot before clicking sign up. It will then take you to this page. You can either click their logo right here or simply return to the forum homepage to begin. This website is a forum website for exchanges, and it has nothing to do with gaming, believe me. So if you scroll down to the bottom right here, and then click here where it says all other games or marketplaces, will be taken to this page. Then all you have to do is click the letter F, then simply pick Facebook, and after you're on Facebook account, you need to go to Facebook likes, and you're probably wondering how this is gonna make me money, like what's going on, but I guarantee you that it'll all make sense in a minute. As an example, you can see right here that you can get 1,000 Facebook likes for $10. You can see the thing with this is that there are a lot of people on here selling a lot of numbers. You can get 5,000 likes for $48, 10,000 likes for $95, and 1,000 likes for $8.50. If you look over here, and the thing about those is that there are folks selling them for a lot less, and a lot more. But the problem with most of those is that a lot of times they don't deliver them, or they're simply robots. That's why it's critical that we use AddMeFast, because they are all actual people. So let's just say that we're going to make one that looks just like this person and charge $20 for 200 real likes. And to be honest, you could probably sell it for anywhere from $20 to $50. Simply write something like actual people, not bots, in the title of your post. And all you have to do to create your listing is to make a new one right here. Then you would simply type in the title and proceed as these people do. It's so easy to do. To put all of this together, we must return to AddMeFast, so you go ahead and click Add Sites or Page, and that's done automatically for Facebook likes, but you could do it for a variety of other things as well. If you find one that's more profitable, go ahead and try it out. That's perfectly okay. In the meantime, we'll get to the title. The title is only for our information. It was simply to keep track of various ones that were running, so we could go back and look at them. So you could just write something like 200 Facebook likes for name, and that could be the person's PlayerUp name. And then under the URL, provide the link to their Facebook post or Facebook page. So you'd put that in there, and then for total clicks you'd turn this on, and you'd want 200. So we only need 200 clicks, and then you want to accomplish 100 daily clicks if you were doing this for 2 days. Now comes the most crucial part, the cost per click, which is the number of points we'll average for each like. We're gonna change that to 5 now. So multiplying 200 points by 5 equals 1,000. That's why I suggested that previously you should start with 1,000 points. So you don't have to pay anything from your own pocket. Then all you have to do is click Save Changes and you're done. So depending on how much you sold those legs for on PlayerUp, whether it's $20, $30, $50, that's how much you'll make in 15 minutes. Let's even say an hour. That's more money per hour than you'll make in any entry-level job in the United States, and more than you'll make in most countries in a single day. So that's simply incredible. And I mean, even while it's nice to work from home instead of a job you despise, I get how you feel, and at the end of the day, you're trading your time for money, which no one wants to do their entire life. Or at least it's how I felt when I was working at my prior job. I hated going there every single day, so I took the effort to figure out how to get compensated without having to exchange any time for it. And I know a lot of people hate the term passive income since it seems so spammy. But in the last 30 days I've made almost $10,000, almost entirely passive, from simple YouTube videos I created a month ago, and the best part is that is only one of my revenue sources. Alright, well, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.